All right, viewers, we are cutting across to some live visuals that we are picking up right outside the Telangana Chief Minister's office. In fact, we are picking up the visuals of the SIT officials who are at I beg your pardon, these are visuals that are in fact coming in from Prajwal Revanna's residence, and let me in fact cut across to my colleague Prajwal, who's actually there and will be able to get us more details. Prajwal, please speak to us more about the SIT officials who are at the residence now. All right, we'll connect with Prajwal in just a bit. In fact, Prajwal, my colleague, is on the ground where the action is in fact happening. We are looking at a lot of movement there as well. SIT officials are at HD Revanna's residence, in fact, in connection to the sleaze tape row as well. Prajwal, it's over to you. Please speak to us more about the investigation and the SIT team being present there right now. What exactly is happening there?
Priyanka, these are visuals that you are getting away from 350 kilometers away from Bengaluru at Hasanna's residence in Hole Narsipura as well, where a team of CID officials have already gone ahead and conducted a spot merger of HD Revanna's residence out there in Hole Narsipura, as well as his official residence as well. So these are the visuals that you are getting in again too, because remember that the victim in the victim in the IPC section 376 case, which is the second FIR which was registered at the Hole Narsipura police station, but the statement was recorded at the CID office. That particular victim has been taken to Hole Narsipura to go ahead and conduct a spot inquest or a spot merger as well. And on the backdrop of it, now we are also expecting that there will be an all-important bail hearing at 2:45 in the People's Representatives Court. So now we will get to know whether HD Revanna will be arrested or not after the bail hearing gets underway at 2:45 too. And meanwhile, Murthy Nayak, who is the counsel of HD Revanna, has assured the SIT that once his client gets bail, he will be appearing before the CID office, from where I am reporting live at now at 5:30. So all important developments will take place only after the bail hearing is underway as well. And depending on that, HD Revanna will decide whether he will appear before the special investigation team or not, Priyanka.
Well, Prajwal, there have been a lot of updates on this as well, because we have been looking at him also skipping the summons that had been earlier also sent to him for May 2nd as well. And we are looking at several shocking developments really that are coming to light. The personal anecdotes of these women as well coming to light about how they had been kidnapped, how they had been abducted. Speak to us a little bit about that. And is there any development on that as far as the investigation is also concerned?
No, Priyanka, first and foremost, will not be able to go ahead and reveal the identities of the victim at this particular point of time. But in all the three complaints, there has been one thing which is common, that is sexual assault. But in the first FIR, there has been no mention of sexual assault.
Love and affection towards Rahul Gandhi. You people not witnessed that. That is why we won last time 19 out of 20. This time we will win 20 out of 20. Don't tell betray. Rahul Gandhi can even think about betraying any place, any people in this country. That type of soul is he. So you people are not discussing. A Prime Minister is talking about India alliance is trying to make South India separate. Whether your channel discussed it. A Prime Minister is talking about complete divisive politics. You are all sponsored media to propagate Modi's vision. We didn't believe that. We are believing the people of India, country. Brother. Okay. That's what I'm telling. That's what I'm telling. Your question is only. You are never asking about the Prajwal Revanna's issue. You never asking that question. You never discuss. You never discussing. Which national channel is discussing that? Home Minister know about it. December 23, no minister got a letter from BJP activist. Whether any channel, your channel, so-called channel, discuss this issue in the national media? You are discussing national media, Rai Bareli. Why not? Why Rahul Gandhi not Rai Bareli? Rai Bareli is the constituency which represented by Indira Gandhi, the soul of this nation, soul of the Congress party. We believe that. We believe that. You people never believe Indira Gandhi. But we believe that Indira Gandhi is the soul of this nation. Indira Gandhi is soul of the Congress party. It is our right to decide. You ask the question to Modi ji, why he fight Varanasi and Gujarat? That you ask the question. You ask the question, why Vajpayee ji contested 3 as parliamentary constituency? That's all. Okay. Anything else is there? Anything else is there?
Yes,
Ask.
definitely.
Sir, an Odisha INC candidate, Sucharita Mohan, has backed out.
No. Sucharita Mohan Das not backed out. We changed the candidate, Sucharita Mohan Das. We appointed a new candidate in Odisha.
What is the demand for Prajwal Revanna? What is the Congress demand? Then you can speak.
Congress demand, Rahul Gandhi himself told in the Raichur and Shimoga. You people have to at least give, at least you are giving 15-20 minutes to Narendra Modi ji. At least give 1 minute good news for Rahul
We
Gandhi.
would like to
That's
hear
okay.
from you.
Okay.
You give more minutes to us.
No. Okay.
Rahul Gandhi has an emotional bond with his constituency. That's the question. Now,
That is why I'm telling he has an emotional bond with the constituency. Wayanad, Amethi, Rai Bareli, all are emotionally connected with Rahul Gandhi and our party. We will not disappoint.
फेक न्यूज़, फेक वीडियोस और इनका फेक चेहरा आज देश के सामने बेनकाब हुआ है कि कांग्रेस किस स्तर तक और विपक्ष किस स्तर तक गिर सकता है कि फेक और डीप फेक वीडियोस बनाएंगे, उसका प्रसार करेंगे और किसी भी ओछे हथकंडे तक। मैं जब कहता था कि कांग्रेस के मैनिफेस्टो में कहीं ना कहीं विदेशी हाथ भी दिखते हैं, तो सब ने क्यास यही लगाए थे कि ये जो लोगों की संपत्ति, क्या ये सुरक्षित रहेगी, क्या स्त्री धन सुरक्षित रहेगा। 7 दिन हो गए, खड़गे जी और राहुल गांधी जी ने आज तक शपथ पत्र नहीं दिया कि क्या स्त्री धन सुरक्षित रहेगा, क्या देश की संपत्ति जो जनता की सुरक्षित रहेगी, क्या उनकी मृत्यु के बाद उसके ऊपर कब्जा तो नहीं कर लिया जाएगा। इस पर कांग्रेस ने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया। मैंने पूछा था कि डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी ने कहा है कि पहला हक अल्पसंख्यक का, विशेष तौर पर मुसलमान समुदाय का है, तो क्या खड़गे जी राहुल गांधी जी से सहमत हैं कि लोगों की संपत्ति क्या अब दे दी जाएगी। तो इस पर इनका कोई जवाब आया नहीं। इससे देश के लोगों को स्पष्ट हो गया है कांग्रेस क्या सोच